In the world of crypto, where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye, rumors can act as powerful catalysts, capable of sparking wild price swings. These fluctuations, often detached from fundamental value, highlight the sensitive nature of the market. This is fueled by intense speculation, with traders and investors constantly searching for the next big opportunity or the slightest hint of market-moving news. The digital landscape amplifies this, turning whispers into roars. This phenomenon becomes even more pronounced when a major exchange like Binance, a key player in the crypto ecosystem, is involved. Any news, real or perceived, related to Binance can send ripples throughout the entire market. Right now, PiCoin, a cryptocurrency designed for mobile mining, is at the very center of this buzz and the subject of much discussion within the crypto community. Its unique approach has garnered a significant following. The primary driver of this attention is the speculation swirling around a possible Binance listing. The potential addition of PiCoin to Binance's trading platform has ignited excitement among its holders. This speculation has particularly intensified around Pi 2-Day, June 28th, a date significant to the Pi network community, further fueling anticipation and hope for a positive announcement. The rumor initially gained traction after a cryptocurrency researcher hinted at some behind-the-scenes activity, suggesting that something significant might be on the horizon for Pi network. Specifically, the researcher suggested that Binance might be in the process of testing Pi network transactions, a crucial step before any potential listing can occur, adding credibility to the rumors. This suggestion was all it took to ignite a firestorm of excitement across social media platforms, with Pi enthusiasts sharing their hopes and predictions, amplifying the buzz even further. For Pi's extensive network of 60 million users who have been diligently mining the coin through their mobile devices, the prospect of a Binance listing represents a major milestone. A Binance listing would be nothing short of a game-changer, transforming PiCoin from a digital asset held within a closed ecosystem to one accessible to a global trading audience. It would finally provide a pathway for these mined coins to be tradable on a global stage, allowing users to realize the potential value of their efforts and participate in the broader crypto market. However, it's crucial to remember that the crypto world is notorious for the adage, "buy the rumor, sell the news," a pattern that has played out countless times in the past. Prices can often spike dramatically on hype and speculation in anticipation of a major event, creating a temporary surge in value driven by market sentiment. But then they can just as quickly crash if the actual news or event fails to live up to the inflated expectations, leaving many investors with significant losses. As of now, there's been no official word or confirmation from either Pi Network or Binance regarding a potential listing, leaving the market in a state of uncertainty. Therefore, it's important to recognize that this entire narrative remains pure speculation, driven by rumors and fueled by the hopes of the Pi Network community. In the volatile world of crypto, understanding both the immense power and the inherent risks associated with rumors and speculation is absolutely essential for making informed investment decisions. The next few weeks leading up to and following Pi 2-Day will be crucial in determining the fate of PiCoin and whether the Binance listing rumors hold any weight. Only time will tell if this buzz surrounding PiCoin and Binance will ultimately become a reality, marking a significant milestone for the Pi network, or simply fade away as another unfulfilled promise. The outcome will undoubtedly add another chapter to the ever-evolving and fast-moving story of the digital asset landscape, reminding us of the opportunities and pitfalls that await in this exciting yet unpredictable space. PiCoin aims to make crypto accessible, letting users mine coins on their phones without expensive hardware. This simple approach has attracted a massive global community, all waiting for Pi to move from its test phase to full trading. The big milestone? Open mainnet, when Pi can be freely traded and connected to other blockchains. Pi 2-Day, celebrated on June 28th, is a key date for the community, often marked by major announcements or updates. This year, anticipation is sky-high, with hopes for both open mainnet and a Binance listing. Recent appearances by Pi's founders and ecosystem updates have only fueled the excitement. For millions, Pi 2-Day could finally turn years of mining into real-world value. The stakes and the speculation have never been higher. Securing a listing on a major exchange like Binance represents a monumental achievement. A Binance listing is a major milestone, a pivotal moment for any crypto project, signaling legitimacy, demonstrating that the project has met rigorous standards and is ready for a broader audience. This opens the doors to a vast and active trading community, unlocking access to millions of traders. For Pi, which is operated in a closed ecosystem, carefully cultivating its network, this would mean instant global exposure, catapulting it onto the world stage. It would also allow for real price discovery, enabling the market to determine Pi's true value. Binance listings often trigger price surges, creating excitement and attracting attention as new demand floods in, eager investors seeking to acquire the newly listed asset. More than just hype, though, a listing means Pi has met certain standards for technology, demonstrating a robust and reliable infrastructure. It also reflects the strength and dedication of its team and community. Analyst Jonathan Lee notes, a Binance listing would show Pi's legitimacy and regulatory alignment, signaling a commitment to responsible growth. For Pi's users, the pioneers who have supported the project from the beginning, it's the chance to finally trade their coins, realizing the value of their contributions. This provides an opportunity for exchange, allowing them to convert their Pi for other crypto or cash. This move could energize the community and attract new users, further solidifying Pi's position in the crypto landscape, accelerating Pi's growth and expanding its reach. But it all hinges on meeting Binance's requirements, navigating the complexities of compliance and technical specifications, and the timing of that first official announcement, the moment that will shape Pi's future. The rumor of a potential Binance listing has ignited a firestorm within the Pi community, creating a palpable sense of anticipation and, for some, outright disbelief. This single piece of unconfirmed news has split the community right down the middle. On one side, you have those who are absolutely thrilled, viewing this potential listing as the ultimate reward for their years of dedicated mining and unwavering belief in the Pi network. They see it as a validation of their efforts. More than just a reward, they see it as a significant step toward mainstream adoption, a crucial turning point that could propel Pi network into the forefront of the digital currency revolution. Social media platforms are absolutely buzzing with speculation, with users posting ambitious price predictions and sharing their excitement about the prospect of trading Pi on a major exchange. The enthusiasm is infectious. But, on the other side of the coin, many within the Pi community remain deeply skeptical, approaching the news with a healthy dose of caution and reservation. Their skepticism primarily stems from the conspicuous lack of official confirmation from either the Pi core team or Binance itself. The absence of a formal announcement fuels their doubts. They are also wary, drawing on the crypto world's well-documented history of hype and speculation, often outpacing actual, real-world progress and tangible results. As one longtime pioneer aptly put it, "I'll believe it when I see an official announcement directly from Dr. Kokkalis or Binance." This sentiment reflects a desire for concrete evidence. Interestingly, a recent poll conducted within the Pi community revealed that a majority of Pi users are not necessarily clamoring for a Binance listing at this particular moment. Their apprehension is rooted in the fear of potential volatility and market manipulation, concerns that the Pi ecosystem might not yet be sufficiently robust to withstand such pressures. Instead of rushing to exchanges, some argue that Pi should prioritize building real-world utility and fostering a thriving ecosystem. They believe that focusing on practical applications and use cases is more crucial than prematurely chasing exchange listings. This ongoing debate perfectly highlights the inherent tension between the understandable desire for increased liquidity and the fundamental need for a strong, resilient, and well-developed foundation upon which the Pi network can truly flourish. The Pi core team's characteristically cautious and measured approach to development has played a significant role in shaping the community's expectations. With a significant portion of the community placing their trust in the core team's judgment, believing that they will patiently wait until the project is genuinely ready for the next stage. So, for the time being, hope and skepticism continue to coexist within the Pi community, creating a fascinating dynamic. As the community collectively watches and waits, the future of Pi remains uncertain, hanging in the balance between potential and preparedness. Ultimately, the outcome of this situation, whether it leads to a Binance listing or not, has the potential to significantly define Pi's next chapter and its long-term trajectory. As excitement grows, so do risks, especially fraud and KYC hurdles. Scammers are launching fake Pi tokens, preying on those eager for a listing. The Pi Core team urges users to trust only official channels and avoid unauthorized tokens. Meanwhile, the KYC process has frustrated many with long delays and stalled validations, leaving users unable to access their mined Pi. Even if Pi lists, many might not be able to trade due to these bottlenecks. Missed KYC deadlines have led to lost tokens, and wallet glitches have added to user anxiety. Some suspect delays are intentional, though there's no proof, while moderators have muted persistent critics, fueling further frustration. Until these internal issues are resolved, external milestones like a Binance listing remain out of reach for many. Binance listings require more than hype. They demand strong community support, real utility, technical soundness, and regulatory compliance. Pi boasts over 60 million users and hundreds of apps in development, plus a credible team. But its enclosed mainnet status is a major hurdle. Binance typically lists only open, fully tradable tokens. The timeline for Pi's open mainnet remains uncertain and KYC issues persist. While Binance has listed meme coins on user demand, Pi's methodical approach may ultimately work in its favor. The big question: can Pi resolve its bottlenecks and launch open mainnet in time for Pi 2 Day, or will delays push a listing further into the future? The answer will determine if Pi is ready for the big leagues. For now, the world is watching. As of June 5th, there's no official confirmation from Pi or Binance about a listing. All talk of a Pi 2 Day launch is still just rumor. The Pi Core team urges users to rely only on official channels for news, never on speculation. Binance, too, announces listings only through its verified blog and social media. Until you see it there, treat everything else with caution. As Pi 2 Day approaches, watch for updates on open mainnet and KYC progress. These are key signals of readiness. The community's excitement is real, but so are the challenges ahead. Stay alert, stay informed, and don't let hype cloud your judgment. The next few weeks could shape Pi's future, one way or another.